Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube, and today we're talking about the G-Gun and the whole new look. Now, for those of you familiar with the G-Gun, same foot-operated grease gun we've been selling for years, but we've given it fresh new coat of paint, made it that bright LockNLube yellow, and added a few nice features to it over time that we're now all coming together in this model. So here you see what's included in the box. We'll talk about the G-Gun first, and then we'll talk about the scoop. Now, the G-Gun has a 10-foot hose on it. That means that without moving the gun itself, you can unwind this. You can hit a bunch of different grease fittings without ever having to move the grease gun. As always, the G-Gun's going to come with the LockNLube grease coupler and the integrated clip to make it nice and easy to store when it's not in use. Now, the foot pedal here is going to deliver 10,000 PSI, and it's going to do an ounce of grease in just 11 strokes. That's almost 4 times more grease per stroke than you're getting out of your standard hand pump grease gun. And in addition, one of the patented features on our product here is this pressure return valve. So when you lift up on this pedal, if you have any back pressure in the hose, like you're on a clogged fitting or something, you lift up on this and all that pressure drains right back into the canister, so you don't waste any grease, and then there's no mess when you disconnect the coupler. Now we'll open it up and I'll show you the guts inside here. There at the bottom, you can see the pump unit. You'll see that it sits at the bottom of the canister so that it's always being lubricated by the grease that's in there. This thing is built to last a lifetime. When you push down on the foot pedal rather, you can see how it works in there, moving a ton of grease per stroke. Now that canister can hold up to 2 gallons of grease. You use bulk grease in here, so you save money, cut your grease cost in half as compared to cartridges. You also save a bunch of time because you're not worrying about swapping out cartridges all the time. Now, in order to move that bulk grease, we came up with the G-Scoop. You'll see this one's a little dirty because it's gotten some love here in the shop before, but you've got your G-Scoop and your pallet. Scoop goes into the bucket to scoop the grease out. Easily scoop it down into the G-Gun. You can use the other side to clean off your scoop, and then it clips together, stores here so that it stays clean, no contamination in the grease. Makes it nice and easy to load up the G-Gun. And if you want to see that priming process in depth, check out our other videos on how to load and prime a G-Gun. So thanks for watching, and for more information, check out LockNLube.com.